Novak Djokovic tamed the huge serving of Milos Raonic to remain on course for a first French Open title. The world number 2 won 7-5, 7-6, 7-5, 6-4 to reach the semi-finals, where he will play Latvia's Ernest Skulbais. It is a sixth Roland Garros and 22nd major semi-final for Djokovic. A victory in Sunday's final would make the 27-year-old the eighth man in history to complete the career Grand Slam. Raonic, 23, had looked like a potential stumbling block, having taken Djokovic to 3 tough sets in Rome recently. The first Canadian man to reach a Grand Slam quarter-final in the Open era, the 8th seed's massive serve and improved all-round game made him a serious threat. Both men knew opportunities were likely to be fleeting, and it was Djokovic who proved the more clinical. A set point for the Serb went begging in Game 10, but a brilliant backhand pass gave him another 2 games later, and a scrambling Raonic poked his volley wide. The second set passed without a single break point for either man, and again it was Djokovic who raised his game in the tie-break, pushing his man out wide and drawing an error for 6-4. Djokovic duly converted the second, on his own serve, and raised his fist to coach Boris Becker and the rest of his team in the stands. Raonic fought back from 0-40 to deuce in the following game, but when 2 forehand errors gave Djokovic the break anyway, the contest was as good as his. The 6-time Grand Slam champion needed the security of a double break when he failed to serve out the match, but he sealed an impressive win at the second time of asking after 2 hours and 22 minutes.